I had a question about how to solve for delta S. And so you're using algebra. And so again, what you're trying to isolate is delta S. I believe I said that was on number 4, right? And so what you're going to do first is you're going to get rid of this delta H. So you're going to move it to the other side. So the first thing you do is that since it's a positive delta H, you're going to subtract delta H from both sides. Okay, so that cancels that out. So what does that leave you? That leaves you with delta G minus delta H equals negative T times delta S. Okay, so you still have not isolated delta S. To isolate delta S, what you need to do is you need to get rid of the negative T. So these are all being multiplied, right? That's negative times T times delta S. So all of these are being multiplied, so the opposite of multiplication is division. So you are going to divide by negative T on both sides. And so that cancels the negatives and the T's, and now delta S is isolated. So what do you have now? You have delta S equals all of this. Delta G minus delta H divided by negative T. So now you should just be able to plug in those values, the delta G minus delta H, and divide it by a negative T, and that gives you delta S.